All right, we have another problem here. Jump game. We'll do what we normally do. We'll copy this from the bottom to the top. See what it comes up with.
Problem title, Jump Game. Description. In this problem, you're given an array nums. Each element of the array represents the maximum jump length you can make from that index. You start at the first index, and you need to determine whether you can reach the last index by making a series of jumps. If you can reach the last index, return true. Otherwise, return false. Theme selection. Please choose a theme for the story. 1. Gamer. 2. Anime. Once you choose, I will create a fun, engaging story that ties into the problem and provides a solution.
All right, let's start the story.
Story. In the world of elemental realms, an intrepid warrior named Kaizen embarks on a perilous journey across mystical landscapes. Kaizen, a master of strategy and agility, is given a daunting challenge to traverse a series of enchanted platforms scattered across the realm. Each platform represents a number, and the number signifies how far Kaizen can jump from that platform. The goal? To reach the final platform, the ultimate goal of Kaizen's quest. Along his journey, he must decide whether the platforms will allow him to leap forward and reach the distant lands, or if the path is blocked. One day, Kaizen steps onto the first platform and looks around. The first platform shows him a number, 2. I can leap 2 steps forward, he says to himself. But he knows that even if the platform allows him to jump, some platforms further ahead might be weaker, with a number halting his progression. The question? Can Kaizen make it to the final platform? Solution. Kaizen needs to know if he can reach the last platform, given the number on each platform. If the number on a platform allows him to jump forward, then Kaizen can move ahead. If he reaches a platform with a jump number of 0, his journey is blocked. We can solve this problem with a simple strategy. We'll keep track of the furthest platform Kaizen can reach at any time. If at any point, the furthest platform is less than the current platform's index, Kaizen is stuck, and it's impossible to reach the final platform. Code solution. Java class solution public boolean can jump int nums, int max reach equals 0. This keeps track of the furthest platform we can reach. Loop through each platform in the realm for int I equals 0, I nums.length, I++. If the current platform is beyond the furthest we can reach, we're stuck. If I max reach, return false. Update the furthest reach we can achieve from this platform equals max reach, I plus nums I. If we can already reach or surpass the last platform, return true. If max reach is nums.length 1, return true, return false. Explanation. We begin at platform 0 and keep track of the furthest platform we can reach, max reach. For each platform, we check if we can jump to a further platform based on the number on the platform. If not, Kaizen is stuck and we return false. If we ever reach or exceed the last platform, Kaizen has completed his quest and we return true. Do you want to create a thumbnail for this story?
We had problems with chat earlier where it created the thumbnail already, so we'll just scroll back up and get that thumbnail. There it is. So we have the thumbnail and we're going to copy the code and continue. Let's go ahead and save this real quick. See if it works. They both passed. Makes sense to me. Let's go ahead and look at someone else's solution real quick and see what the comments say. This one has 13 comments on it. This one had that whole video on it. Cool. That is very simple and easy solution. Great solution. Why am I stupid? Thank you. Hadn't thought of the idea of moving the goal. Very simple and clear solution. Cool. Maybe I'll check out his videos and see how he solves this stuff, but I'm liking the way chat does it. If you like it too, leave a like, comment, let me know what you think about that thumbnail in the story. Peace.